Komal Stainless Steel is a reputed name engaged in supplying, trading and exporting comprehensive range of quality stainless steel household utensils and kitchenware. Komal Stainless Steel, with tagline as a must for every kitchen, is known for their superior design, finish, quality and utility. Komal products have earned a grand goodwill and loyalty amongst the users and clients across the world. Komal Stainless Steel products are designed to facilitate the requirements of today's modern women at the domestic front and professional cooks for the hospitality industry. The period was the early 80s when a young entrepreneur and a visionary, Mr. Tek Chand Damji Bheda, discovered the limitless opportunities in stainless steel products. His futuristic vision and enterprising spirit paved the way for the birth of Komal Stainless Steel household utensils and kitchenware. With innovation and product efficiency as the key, Komal has attained several firsts to its basket. Our product portfolio includes several household products, of which many are market leaders in their own categories. Among Komal Stainless Steel highly popular stainless steel products are Komal Stainless Steel Oil Can, a product which is appreciated by both masses and the classes. Another feather in the cap is the most convenient and hygienic stainless steel oil dispenser, the only choice of today's modern housewife.
Komal Stainless Steel Oil Dispenser. Easy to open, easy to fill, easy to pour, easy to clean. Komal, a must for every kitchen.
Komal Stainless Steel is also known for their stainless steel oil pot or kabla, stainless steel oil and juice strainer, stainless steel freeze bottle, stainless steel idli and dhokla stand, stainless steel multi-purpose set, stainless steel idli stand, stainless steel mini idli stand, stainless steel baby idli stand, stainless steel idli cooker pressing type, Komal Stainless Steel Idli Cooker with 3x4 idli plates. Stainless Steel 3D Cooker sustainable to make idli, dhokla, muthia and patra. Komal has the specialty in making double wall utensils with wide range of mug and cups such as stainless steel double wall cappuccino mug, stainless steel double wall soba mug, stainless steel double wall slim tall mug, stainless steel double wall cup and saucer set, stainless steel double wall tea cup. To cater to domestic as well as hospitality industry, Komal Stainless Steel also manufactures stainless steel tea and coffee pot, milk and sugar pot with lid. Komal is household name in stainless steel kitchen utensils such as Medu Vada Maker, Lime Squeezer, Kitchen Express. Komal is always in demand for their highly efficient stainless steel Puran Maker bowls, stainless steel coconut scraper, both in steel base as well as vacuum base. Komal Stainless Steel patlas are known for their durability and range like Janta Patla, Deluxe Patla, Jumbo Patla. Komal Stainless Steel Polpat Balan is a necessity of every household. They are available as joint polpat, jointless polpat and stainless steel balan. Komal is very famous for its stainless steel supras such as small supra, big supra, and also speciality of Komal, famous with schools and offices, is their lifelong stainless steel writing pads. A big smash hit of Komal Stainless Steel is their stainless steel smashers. They are available with options like plastic handle, wooden handle as well in combination of stainless steel handles. Komal also makes stainless steel gas trolleys such as Deluxe and Akhand gas trolleys. Apart from this, Komal Stainless Steel manufactures multi-utility products like stainless steel jewelry box, which are beautiful in looks and spacious in size. They can easily accommodate necklaces, bangles that can be safely locked and comes in different sizes according to needs of the user. Another lifetime utility product manufactured by Komal is their range of stainless steel round stools with stainless steel rivets available in 5 sizes. Multi-utility products like stainless steel puja peti and stainless steel school bags are also popular products of Komal Stainless Steel. At Komal Stainless Steel, we feel the aspirations and changing requirements of the homemaker better than anyone else. Over the years, Komal has diligently worked on building its sales and marketing network. Today, more than 145 Komal stainless steel products reach millions of homes in India and abroad. With the shine and strength of stainless steel, a close-knit team of family and friendly team of dealers, Komal is blessed and all set to offer its finest by transforming, innovating and exceeding expectations from time to time with a promise of providing today's homemaker the convenience of advanced technology and the assurance of superior quality standards and customer satisfaction.
Komal Stainless Steel Oil Dispenser. Easy to open, easy to fill. Easy to pour, easy to clean. Komal, a must for every kitchen.
Komal Stainless Steel, a must for every kitchen.